Hello, welcome back. I hope to find you and doing well. In the previous video, we exported Jasper reports into an Excel file in Java. Today, let's add some essential configurations to that Excel file because now we have several issues. As you can see, we have header, but here the header is repeatedly, we have second header. Okay, we want to add some essential configurations to that Excel file in simple and clear way. So before watching this video, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous video because previously we exported Jasper reports into an Excel file. Okay, let's start the practical implementation step by step. We want to open the same project. We have JDBC classes, then we have hash map. After that, we have JasperReports classes. Then we have Excel exporter classes. Okay, we have a simple class, and here we have database credentials like URL, username, password. We have a report path and the output file. That is good. A simple main method here. We establish the connection between Java application and MySQL database, and here we provided different parameters for the Jasper reports. Thereafter, we fill the reports with the data because data comes from the database. As you can see here, we have a report path, then we have parameters and database connection. Thereafter, we have Excel exporter, and here we specified the input as well as the output. Okay, so anyway, first let's create Excel configurations object. As you can see here, we imported simple Excel report configuration class. From that, we want to create an object. Simple. For example, configuration equals, we want to initialize that with new object. So we want to add different configurations. First, let's remove rows and column spaces. Simple. We have configuration object set remove empty space between columns. We want to pass true value. Thereafter, we have configuration dot set remove empty space between rows. Let's add true value. So thereafter, let's display header only once in Excel file. We have configuration. We want to copy that. Then we have set one page per sheet, and here we want to pass false value because we want to display header in Excel file once. Thereafter, we have several configurations. We want to skip or ignore margin. Simple. We have configuration. Then we have set ignore margin. We have this method. We want to pass true value. Okay, friends, let's apply all the configuration to the exporter. Simple exporter dot set configuration. We want to pass this configuration object. Okay, friends, you can add different configurations, there is no problem, but for now this is enough. Let's save the changes. We want to run the application to see the result. Okay, friends, employee list report has been exported successfully. That's good. Let's open that. Okay, friends, we have employee list report, which is title. Then we have print date, and here we have header. Let's check the header because we want to check the duplicate header. Okay, but we have still duplicate header. We want to remove that. Let's open NetBeans. So to fix that issue, In Jasper reports, we have inbuilt-in parameter. As you can see here, we have hash map. Let's use params.put, and here we have inbuilt-in Jasper reports parameter is ignore pagination, and here we want to use boolean dot true. Okay, this parameter ignores pagination, but we have a simple mistake. We won't use correct name, ignore pagination. Okay, that is good. Let's close that. After closing that, let's run the application once again to see the result. Okay, employee list report has been exported. That is good. Let's check that. Okay, we have employee list report. As you can see, now we have only one header. There is no duplicate headers. Okay. So today we added different configurations to Excel files. You can add many configurations. There is no problem because this class provides different methods to apply different configurations on Excel file. Okay, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.